Welcome back, guys. Hope you are having an amazing day. As you know, you can't install Play Store apps directly in PC. To install apps, the only thing you need to do is to watch till end. So let's start. Open Google Chrome and search 𝐒𝐂𝐁𝐄. Here click on the first site. It will be 𝐒𝐔𝐁𝐄.com. Now you need to click this download button. And you are done. The emulator will start downloading on auto. Good news is that this is an offline installer of this emulator. You will not need to download this again and again. Let's move to install it. Open the setup. Click on the custom option to customize its place. After customizing, click install. Reject both of these offers, and the installation will get started automatically. Let's start it. Now click on the Tools file. Slide right. And open Play Store. Now sign in and enjoy. Let me show you one more way to install apps. This method is about installing apps APK file. If you don't know how to download apps APK file, watch the video from the link in the description. Click on this option. Find the app APK file. And click Open. The app will get installed automatically. So hope you liked the video. There are lots of more videos for you. I wish to have 500 subscribers in this month. Thanks for watching and meet you in the upcoming video.